Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2. We'll present about contact management system. This is our team members. First, FARHANA. Second, AMIRAH. Third, NABEHAH. And lastly, NABILAH. Next is the scope of contact management system. This system is a web-based application that designed to create a management of contact information. This system will have add, edit, delete, and view contact from database. The tools used are MySQL, HTML, and PHP.
There are 4 functionality which are name add contact, delete contact, edit contact, and view all contact information.
Okay, next is interface result. This is our main interface, have contact body and list of contact. Okay, next is add contact interface. When we enter name, email and phone number, it will appear at the right side when we click add contact. Okay, next is edit contact button. When we edit, for example, I edit phone number, so at the list of contact, it will edit the number. Okay, next, after we enter all the name, email and phone number, we have the list of contact in the right side.
I will explain the source code in our project. We first launch MySQL and Apache in NIZAM. Then the PHP admin will open. Okay, first we make a new database called Contact Management DB. The contacts tables which need to have the name, email address and phone number is created by running the SQL command database source code. Okay, next in the HT docs, the student we create a folder called contact manager. In this folder we have PHP file which is 6 PHP file. First add contact, next edit contact, third the delete contact, fourth update contact, fifth PHP file is connect.php, and lastly is index.html. We use add contact.php, edit contact.php, delete contact.php, and update contact.php to construct the PHP script that include the connect.php file to connect to the database. Okay. The primary page is designed by us by using index.html. The structure of index.html should include a form for adding new contacts and display a list of existing contacts with option to edit and delete. Okay, contacts are retrieved and shown from the database using PHP. Next, the browser is launched and the student goes to http localhost index.php to test the program. Using the form, the student attempt to add contacts and confirm that the contact is on the list. Testing also been done by us on the editing and deleting part.
This is our open file scanning result for our system. There are 33 vulnerabilities found, which are 1 critical, 9 medium, and 23 low.
Okay, next is about vulnerabilities explanation.
I will explain the critical vulnerabilities in our system, which is operating system and end-of-life detection. Okay, the operating system on the remote host has reached the end of life and should not be used anymore. And end-of-life version of an operating system is not receiving any security updates from the vendor. Unfixed security vulnerability might be leveraged by an attacker to compromise the security of this host. Okay. So, to improve our system, it is important to upgrade the operating system to a supported version that can receive regular security updates. This update can ensure the system remain protected against new threats and any existing security vulnerabilities are patched. These vulnerabilities was improved by implementing integration planning, where plans for our system upgrade align with the compatibility requirement of the contact management system. Okay, then ensure that the selected operating system version is supported by the contact management systems host for seamless integration and support. Okay, lastly, backup and recovery procedure are also implemented to protect contact data during operation system transitions.
One of the major vulnerabilities is weak encryption algorithm supported SSH. The remote SSH server is configured to support weak encryption algorithms. The RC4 cipher is the RC4 string cipher with 1 to 8 bit keys. RC4 cipher is a weak key and should not be used anymore. The NAND algorithm specifies that no encryption is to be done. A vulnerability exists in SSH message that employs CBC mode that allow an attacker to recover plain text from a cipher text. Next, to improve this, the SSH server should be configured with strong encryption such as AES-256 bit keys to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of the data transmit over the SSH connection. Next, educating system administrators and users about importance of using strong encryption to protect sensitive contact information is also important as an improvement made.
Weak key exchange KES algorithm supported SSH is in medium phase, have vulnerabilities, and can be improved. Weak key exchange technique, namely the 1024-bit MODP group or prime KES algorithm, are enabled on the distant SSH server. The Diffie-Hellman key exchange is carried out by millions of HTTPS, SSH, and VPN servers using the same prime numbers. A 1024-bit adversary can break a nation-state prime, enabling an attacker to swiftly compromise individual connections. This is the vulnerability, and what can be improved is by use an SSH key exchange algorithm that is compatible with the security protocol of the contact management system. Secondly, recommend upgrades to SSH configuration compatible with the latest security standard. And lastly, evaluate the impact of key exchange algorithm improvement on system performance and scalability for the contact management system.
Okay, one of the low vulnerabilities is ICMP timestamp reply information disclosure. The remote host responds to an ICMP timestamp request. The timestamp reply is an ICMP message which replies to a timestamp message. This information could theoretically used to exploit weak time base from number generators in other cases. Okay, improvements were made. Firewall should be configured to block ICMP timestamp requests. The first improvements made are configuring network device and system to block ICMP timestamp requests according to the security policy recommended by the contact management system. Okay, next is educate IT staff and system users about the ICMP timestamp replies and importance of complying with the security configuration.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.